Panther Healthcare has been doing these courses since 2020, so this is the 14th course, and it has been a great experience. So we have trained already more than 180 surgeons, and this shows how Panther Healthcare is committed to the medical continuous education. So we are going to keep doing these courses so we can reach out more surgeons and the benefits to the patients.
The second case probably is a bilateral.
We are at Cruz Vermelha Hospital in Lisbon. We are ready to start the 14 course of UNIPORTAL VATS with Panther, and today we have 4 cases for live surgery. We are going to start right now. Okay. We will broadcast live surgery to the auditorium, so we have 16 participants in the auditorium coming from all over the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, and America. First case is anatomic segmentectomy S8. We will do uniportal VATS. Ready?
It's an anatomic segmentectomy, 7-8 left, carcinoid. A very interesting case.
It's such a very interesting case because it has some anatomy variant, so he's performing and teaching some techniques that we can do it in our daily practicing.
Oh, it's very useful tricks, really amazing.
Taper is less expensive. We do a check for every single stapler of our robot. It takes some time because we want to practice.
So we are not able to create a perpendicular angle, is what we want. If you go more anterior in your incision, like this, you can see much better your target, and also you can create a perpendicular angle easier.
And as you see, the bronchus goes like this and bifurcated down. So dangerous. We developed 15 years ago. It's also called non-grasping technique for the lymphadenectomy mainly. Everyone in Europe was doing. Since 2010, I was doing segments as a routine in Shanghai. I don't cover my sleeves, never, except for after radiation or carinal. Courses like this, like today, where we have live surgery, is very important, because you can see in the OR the real life. Because in 2014 I did the first case in the world of no-intubated uniportal lobectomy. And we were pioneering something that for you maybe will be science fiction, but we are very experienced. We do tracheal and carinal resections with no intubation. This was 2 years ago and the patient is happy. No stenosis, no stridor, doing normal life. Welcome to the Nova Medical School Training Center. Today is the most interesting part for you, I'm sure. You have the opportunity to practice everything you wish. You should try to do the same as you will do in a patient.
The hands-on training is probably the most important of these kind of courses. Today we have colleagues from many countries, from South Korea and Argentina, working in the cadaver lab performing a uniportal VATS lobectomy like in real life?
Well, we are very, very happy with this experience for our doctors. It's an impression, this fantastic lab. So this is the continual education for our surgeons. It's great, it's great. Many thanks to Panther.